next CSS property is background image. CSS has the ability to change the background of an element. One option is to make the background of an element an image. This is done through the CSS property background image. Its syntax looks like this. Here is the property, and then you provide the value. You have the URL, then you have the parentheses, and inside you write the path to the image. You try to load the background image property will set the element's background to display an image. The value provided to background image is a URL. The URL should be a URL to an image. The URL can be a file within your project, or it can be a link to an external site. To link to an image inside an existing project, you must provide a relative file path. If there was an image folder in the project with an image named mountains.jpg, the relative file path would look like so. So this is the relative path. In style.css, change the background image of the image class. Use the following URL. And let's find the image class. Okay, it is right here. And let's change the background image by changing its URL. Okay, let's save the code. And as you can see, we changed the image right here. This different image right now. Okay, let's proceed to the next exercise.